I like how his rotor's touching the ground.
You gotta, yeah, Brent, your tail rotor's touching the ground. All right. No, Brent, put it where we used to have it, over here.
Yeah, right there.
Because if it's flying, it's not gonna fall into a pit.
All right, here we go.
All right.
That thing hauls ass.
Yeah.
If you get your trim right, it'll be perfect.
Full throttle.
Damn it! Ah, it's in their lawn. Fuck.
Brent, it's fine. Stop cussing.
I said fuck.
Right.
Shit, now it's over a tree, Brent. Just land it, land it.
No, don't kill it.
I didn't say kill it, I said land it.
Go to him.
No, 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 no. What the heck? Fuck! No! God damn it, this hell is fun. Wait, I don't know why I took it off.
Alright, don't worry about it.
Son of a...
Yeah, dude, that sucks. Oh, well, the guys will be cool. They'll let us go into their yard and pick it up, hopefully.
Let's tell them it was like $200 when we bought it yesterday.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Did it hit the ground?
Yeah, it did.
Well, that's good. It's not on the tree.
Yeah.
Thing's built to eat shit.
Yeah.